Now, a very important question before us, and the question is, how much time do recruiters spend on reading CVs? This question is very important because some job seekers do not invest time to draft a proper resume, which is legible after using proper format, font after using proper format, proper font, proper language, and use of cover letter, etc. So, this is a very difficult question to answer. How much time do recruiters spend on reading CVs? However, it has been found that recruiters do not spend much time reviewing CVs. We have already discussed in our earlier course that there are many factors which affect the time spent by the prospective employer on reading CVs. For example, volume of the applications received by the prospective employer, or senior position or lower position, for which post or job the applications have been sought. Because if the post is of lower level, a large number of applications do arrive at the desk of the prospective employer, whereas in case of senior positions, very few number of applications are put forward by the job seekers. It has been found that the majority of the candidates applying for jobs do not meet the minimum criteria as asked for by the employer. It means that, suppose if the job ad says that the applications are invited for the post of English teacher, and the minimum qualification of the job seeker should be postgraduate in English. It has been found that most of the job seekers may be not having the minimum qualification of post graduation. They may be having less qualification than that prescribed, that is post graduation. Even then they apply for the same. So due to this reason, the number of applications though increase, but they do not meet the criteria set by the prospective employer. So as most of the applications sent by the job seekers do not meet the minimum criteria laid down by the prospective employer, so the average time spent on a CV goes down. How it goes down? Suppose there are 5 resumes before you, and you have set the condition that a person should be MBA. When you open the resume, first of all, you will find out whether that person who has applied for the job is having the qualification of MBA. If it does not have, you will throw out application. That is, in a few seconds, you will throw the application and will not go into the further details what has been written in the resume. If all the applications were from suitable candidates, suppose if all the candidates are MBA which have applied for the particular job, then the job seeker will not be in a position to throw away the application. He will have to go through all the details which have been mentioned by the job seeker in his resume, find out which person is most suitable for the job. So the average time spent on reading a CV would increase. Now we come to the main question which we had asked: how much time do recruiters spend? Answer is, as per a research, recruiters spend 6 to 8 seconds glancing at a resumes oblique CV. But there are times when they spend greater or less time reviewing a CV. It may only take a few seconds to rule a candidate out, because if he does not fulfill the minimum criteria, then the application is likely to be summarily rejected. If you apply for a suitable jobs with a well presented CV, you will receive much more attention than the industry average. Industry average means you will receive more attention from the prospective employer, and the minimum criteria which has been found as 6 to 8 seconds. It means that your resume will get the time more than 8 seconds, which is the industry average. Now we will conclude this course. Invest time to create a high quality resume. Be honest and truthful in your resume. We should not be truthful and honest in resume only. We should be honest and truthful in all our deeds. Include relevant information. Next, tailor your resume to the job. Next point, keep your resume brief and to the point, as the employers do not have enough time to go through your lengthy resume. Avoid slang or casual language. Use formal language. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.